What's going on, Creepers? Mike Hill Hobbies. I got Costco's 9-foot animated clown. They put this thing on sale for an incredible price. If you were lucky enough to get this, you know what's up. This thing looks amazing. I know some people were like, didn't want to get this because of the voice, or maybe embarrassed and don't want to show this. I don't know why. These things sold out, so I know there's a lot of people that got them. I'm putting this thing together. This thing is awesome. All right. Very, very big head in there. This thing is super cool. The clothes, the colors are vibrant. Purple, yellow, red, white. Very cool. There's even a try me button in this thing. Got the power adapter in there with the clothes. Right up top is the mechanism here with the shoulders. So we got on, off, demo, try me, jack, power adapter, and volume right there. Okay, we got a little hat here. The hat is kind of bent up in mine, so definitely gonna have to stuff that. I'll get the hand. I mean, that hand is huge. That is a really cool looking hand. The only video I seen, it looked like the hand was flat, but it's not. So much better than I anticipated. Of course, if you want to come through here and customize and detail this up, the mold is perfect for that. Got a shoe with an ankle. These shoes are very nice when it comes to a clown animatronic. Everything I have is like a real flimsy, thin material. This thing is really nice. I imagine this is probably similar to Brick Thunder's clown that he helped design. It's supposed to have really nice shoes. This thing, I mean, really nice. Okay, next we got the head here. It's big. Oh man. This thing just looks so cool. I had to get this. I wanted it really badly just because it's such a big clown. And then Costco put these things on sale and I got it, and then I checked back later and they were sold out. So I'm glad I was able to pick this guy up. But look at that head. I mean, awesome. This thing looked great. Those eyes light up. The mouth does move. So, got some cool green hair here. Make that thing look all crazy. Got your twist connection here on the back. Got a piece of Velcro at the mouth. And connection rod right there. Pretty thick plastic. Another shoe here. Again, really, really nice, thick plastic. Very cool. Got our other hand there. Again, the mold, the detail's really nice with all the veins. The knuckles look great. Definitely gonna paint those nails some black paint, reactive paint. Maybe even the veins, do just a bunch of black paint, reactive paint on here. They'll probably do it on the face too. Really make it look really good and stand out with a bunch of reactive paint. All right, then we got some poles here. These are the legs. Got some arms here. And these have different type of connectors than I'm used to. These have some thick plastic connectors. Okay, I'm assuming this is going to be the waist. We've got a hip hoop, and of course, the base. The base is really big. You got some ground stakes that are zip tied to the base also. Trying to imagine what this base is like. If you have the Texas Chainsaw Leatherface from Party City. This base is bigger than that, so. It looks like so this base actually looks comparable to the size of the base for the Marsh Monster. So really big base here. All right, let's put this thing together. Left leg goes back, right leg forward. You got your typical push pins on the base here, and then slide it together. Next goes the shoes, part C. Take those stickers off. There's no left, there's no right for the shoes. Either one goes on either side. They do have these slots, so you can kind of angle the foot however you want. I think kind of angled in is actually pretty cool. Kind of gives it a weird kind of creepy look to it. Next up is the legs, part D. Both exactly the same. It doesn't matter which one you put where. Once you get the legs on, you need part E, which is the pants. And the stripes go on the right leg if you want to match the shirt. You could switch this up and put it the other direction. Really doesn't matter which way you put the pants. Got some elastic on the bottom, so you'll be able to go around the ring of the ankles there. Just be careful sliding this down so you don't rip anything. And yes, this thing is going to be very, very large. I like the little yellow pieces down here at the bottom. Gives it a little more character. And the pants fit nice and tight around those shoes. So very good on the elastic band. If you like clowns and you didn't get this guy because of that voice, shame on you. Next up is part F, the hip support rod. So just pull these pants down a little bit and try to get this on as even as possible, and it'll make it much easier to deal with. And this definitely widens up those hips. After that, part G, the hip hoop. Doesn't matter which way this one goes. Both sides are the same. Now go ahead and put the pants over the hip hoop. And we're already at my neck here. So this thing is going to be awesome. Okay, once you get here, before you do anything else, you're going to take the shirt and you're going to fit this over the shoulder control box assembly. Really nice quality on the clothes. Everything so far is really good quality. I mean, I can't believe I got it for the price I got this thing for. So I really hope a bunch of you got this one. Those colors are really nice too. I love the yellow on it. Got a Velcro section here in the back so you can get to your control box. And pretty cool. Just take the shoulder assembly with the pole facing forward, that is for the head. And you're gonna slide this in here so you get the shoulders over it. Now that rod's gonna come right out of the front here. The way the head is, it's kind of in front of the body instead of on top of the shoulders. So make sure you don't pull this all the way down. Really long shirt here. Go ahead and connect that to part F. Dang, this thing is huge. And you can pull the clothes down. You got this nice big Velcro area in the back so you can get to all the controls. Oh, this thing is awesome. This thing is awesome. It's looking great. This thing is looking great! Okay. Okay, these are actually for the hands. You have J and K are the arms. J is the right arm, and J goes to L, which is the right hand. So it's gonna go just like this, but it goes on quite easy, and it's actually really secure. That hand is just ginormous. Look at that hand. Super cool. So that is the right arm. Left arm is K, and that obviously goes to the other hand, which is M. Same deal. Just slide that into place. You may have to wiggle it because it's got to fit down inside this plastic piece right there, and then snaps right in. Really secure, really nice. And this guy is going to be wide. So you're going to go ahead and feed this arm up in the shirt and get your arms on. Super creepy looking. The stance is really creepy looking. Okay, go ahead and throw the other arm on there. I'm really, really liking this clown. I can't believe a lot of people were dogging this thing out. Just the size and the look alone is really, really cool. Oh yeah, this thing is just awesome. This thing is just awesome. I don't even have the head on it. I cannot believe this thing didn't fly off the shelves before the sale. I should have bought 2 or 3 of these things. Next up is the head. You do have a piece of Velcro right here on the back of the jaw, and there's a piece of Velcro right here which is going to attach to that. Make sure you feed your wire in here for your lights and your mouth movement. It is large and in charge. Oh yes. It is big. It is big. This thing looks amazing. Absolutely amazing. It's huge. Looks so cool. The quality is really, really good. I can't wait to hear this thing because that's been really the only gripe on this. I don't really care, especially if you're doing carnival music or something like that. You're probably not even gonna have this turned up anyway. But there is a control box, which means there is a sound card in there, which means yes, you can change the sound of this. I will figure that out and I will report back. But man, this thing is cool. All right, get the hat on if you can. I did put some stuffing in this one. I couldn't get it to stop staying flat, so just fill it with some stuffing. Got 2 pieces of Velcro there, right on top of the head. Come on. This thing is so freaking cool. I love it. Let's plug it in. Moment of truth. Let's turn this guy on. See just how cool this thing is. I guess that was the mouth moving. He's pretty cool. He's actually...
I am the most amusing fellow you'll ever see.
I think he's awesome. This guy's gonna fit right into a creepy carnival, no matter what this thing sounds like. Very guy is super dope. So glad I got this guy. Pan Asian Creations. This thing is awesome. That voice is nothing. This thing is perfect, just how it is. Absolutely love this thing.
May I have this dance with you? I am the most amusing fellow you'll ever see. Come with me, and we can get
This thing gets really loud too.
into trouble.
So on the main frame of this, coming off of it, you got two little brackets, and that's what the motor is mounted to. Now mine was making a little bit of a squeaky noise, and it's just because the motor was kind of canted a little bit. So if yours is making a little bit of squeaky noise, just take that bracket and look at the motor mount and make sure that it's nice and straight with the bracket that goes up to the arms here, and then that'll get rid of that squeaky noise. You just got to bend it a little bit if yours is making a little bit of noise. Mine, I just had to take the bottom one and twist it in a little and line that thing up. Squeak went right away. So far I think there's 2 phrases. There might be more. We're going to check it out a little bit more here.
I am a joker.
It's really loud.
Serious trick. And I like to dance all the time. May I have this dance with you?
So that's one phrase.
I am the most amusing fellow you'll ever see. Come with me, and we can get into all sorts of trouble.
All right, that's 2 phrases.
I am a joker.
So that's it. 2 phrases total.
Serious trick.
A couple more phrases would have been nice. The movement's great. The look is amazing. The build quality is really good on this. I really like this guy. I'm glad I got it. And for all of you that did get this, you know what's up. This thing is super cool. Appreciate everybody watching. Have a happy Halloween.